Assalamu alaikum class 10th. My name is Miss Tahreem and I am going to teach you unit number 1 from your English literature book. See the topic. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice. Embodiment means symbol of justice. Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is symbol of justice. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam इंसाफ का मुजस्मा थे या ज़िंदा मिसाल थे. So this chapter is about our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's justice, how he do justice in different cases. See page number 2, paragraph number 1. I have underlined all difficult words you can see, and you have to underline these words, and when I will explain these words you have to write the meaning or try to understand whatever I am explaining. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life is a perfect model and example for the people who want to attain goodness, piety and success in their individual as well as social life. Our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life is perfect model, perfect pattern and example for the people who want to achieve goodness, piety, wiseness and success in their individual means single as well as social life. So हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़िंदगी एक बेहतरीन नमूना और मिसाल है उन लोगों के लिए जो अपनी इनफरादी और समाजी ज़िंदगी में कामयाबी, नेकी और अच्छाई हासिल करना चाहते हैं. It's mean that our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life is full of example for the people who want to achieve goodness or success in their single life as well as their social life. People can seek light from the message and guidance from his life to achieve perfection in the moral, spiritual and social areas of life. So the people can seek light to achieve, to get light. So people can get light from the message, पैगाम, from the message, and guidance means to advise from his life. So if we see our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life, we can get advices and message to get light, to achieve perfection in the moral means here ethical, spiritual, worldly, unworldly यानी रिलेटेड टू सोल, जो रूह से मुतल्लिक हैं, एथिकल इखलाकी एंड सोशल एरियाज़ ऑफ लाइफ. अब सोशल एरियाज़ ऑफ लाइफ हमारी जो माशी ज़िंदगी है उसमें. सो पीपल कैन गेट लाइट फ्रॉम हिज मैसेज एंड एडवाइस फ्रॉम देयर सोशल, मॉरल एंड स्पिरिचुअल एरियाज़ ऑफ लाइफ. He has set very high and noble ideals. Noble means virtuous. Ideals means exemplaries. Through his practical means workable examples from all mankind. Mankind means human beings, to follow in every field of life. So the people can get high and noble ideals, high and virtuous exemplaries from his practical examples in every field of life. Whenever we see the examples from his life, this can guide us in every step and every field of life. In first paragraph we get the idea whatever we are going to learn. We are going to learn different examples from our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's life, which can guide us and advise us to follow in different fields of life. See the next paragraph. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam practically proved that no one could be more just and equitable than the Rasul of Allah Almighty. Practically, workably, proved, verify, equitable, fair. So it is said that our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the most fair and most just person of the world. As a young trader, dealer, he earned and obtained a good reputation, good name of being an honest, fair and just businessman. So Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has obtained good name for being honest, fair and just businessman, and he was a young dealer. So whenever he started trader means tajar, young dealer. So when he was start his career as a trader, he has earned, उन्होंने हासिल किया था गुड रेपुटेशन, नेक नाम, सबसे ज़्यादा ईमानदार, मुसावी और इंसाफ करने वाले ताजर के तौर पर. So whenever he has started his business as a trader, he become a trader, he was the most equitable, he was the most just and honest person of the Makkah. He always had fair and just dealing with all people. Whenever he sell or purchase something from the people, he was the most fair and just dealer. He deals with people most fairly and most justly. That's why he was considered the most honest and fair person of Makkah. When the Kaaba was being built, there arose a dispute among the people regarding about the black stone. When Khana Kaaba was being constructed or being built, so there was an issue of black stone. Black stone हिजरा अस्वद को नष्ट करने का इशू हुआ था वहाँ. There arose a dispute means झगड़ा, debate among the people regarding about. So when Kaaba was being constructed, the people has a dispute to take the black stone in Kaaba. There was an issue. He advised the most equitable plan. Equitable, fair plan means scheme. So Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has advised the most fair scheme for the setting of black stone. He said that how they can go and set black stone in Khana Kaaba. This pleased means make happy. This pleased everyone and saved them from a tribal conflict. Tribal conflict means tribal here means dynasty, and conflict means fight or clash. So they have saved them from clash, and all of them became happy. So how he has settled the issue? He said that you have to put the black stone in a piece of cloth, and all the tribal chiefs put this piece of cloth and take it in Khana Kaaba, and then they can be able to set the black stone in Khana Kaaba. See the question, how did the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam resolve the issue? We have to start from here. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised the most equitable plan for the setting of the black stone. This pleased everyone and saved them from a tribal conflict till here. That is the answer of the question number 1 from the text. I hope you have understand all of the difficult words meaning, and you have to learn this question by heart. Let me show you the meaning of paragraph number 1 and paragraph number 2. I have written it for you on my register. See, it's paragraph number 1. The topic is written Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice. See, paragraph number 1. Model means pattern. Attain, achieve. Piety, piousness. Individual, single. Seek, to get. Guidance, advice. Perfection, excellence. Moral, ethical. Noble, virtuous. Ideal, exemplary. Practical, workable. Mankind, human beings. Paragraph number 2. Words meaning. Proved, verify. Equitable, fairly. Trader, dealer. Earned, obtained from work. Reputation, name or status. Dealings, policy. Constructed, built. Dispute, debate or arguments. Regarding, about. Please, happy. Tribal, dynasty. Conflict, quarrel or clash. I'm giving you the homework. You have to learn these all meanings and question number 1 from the text. I hope you will learn it. Good luck.